Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video on a Guide Path Academy. As we know, the summer holiday will be start after a few days, and this is the best time for the technical as well as non-technical students to do their internship. So in this video, we are going to discussing about some of the biggest internship opportunity from the government of India from Niti Aayog. In this internship, you will be find the more than the 25 domains where you can start your internship during this summer. For example, agriculture, education, laws, energy, security, service and economy, science and technology, and much more. So, in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can apply for this internship, what is the criteria for this internship, what is the start date and end date. But before starting the video, I wanted to submit a one request to all of you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you will never miss any update from us side, and also I get a motivation to do a more work and more research for you guys. So let's get started. This is the home page of Niti Aayog. If we see here, there is a more than a 25 plus division available for the internship where you can do your internship with the government of India. This all internship program is available for the technical as well as non-technical person also. If we see closely, this is the announcement from the Niti Aayog, Government of India, for this internship program. Firstly, we will see the purpose of this internship. The selected candidate will be get the short-term exposure with the different divisions unit of Niti Aayog, Government of India as an intern. So you will be get a chance to work as an intern with the Government of India by doing this internship. After the getting selected in this internship, you will be get a opportunity to know about the government functioning issue in a government of India, contributing to the solving that problems, and also you will be get a chance to how the our government internally work for this particular area and solving the particular problems. If you are a technical person, you are going to be a worker with some software development, data analytics, cyber security, debuggings, and much more. If you are a non-technical person, you will be a go to briefing a report, policy papers, presentations, and much more. There is a certain eligibility criteria for this internship, and you have to be a maintain that eligibility criteria before applying for this internship. This for the undergraduate students, you have to be a not less than 85 percentage in your total academic career from 12 to your graduation. If you are pursuing students, you have to be a second year students or a fourth semester students. And if you are completed, then you have to be a maintain this criteria. Your percentage should not be a less than of a 85%. There is also some criteria for the PhD students. The students who are doing the PhD, they should have to be not less than 75%. This is the criteria for the applying this internship. Also, I wanted to mention that for this internship, there is a no exam test. You just have to fill this form. You have to be fill your form very carefully because this selection process is totally depending on your form and your academic marks. This selection process is depending on that the division's recruitment team and the division head person, because they are going to be a shortlist your application form. If we see here, from 1st to 10th of every month, Niti Aayog open this form for all of you. If you want to start your internship next month or from June month, you have to be apply for this internship before the 10th April 2025. If you see the attendance criteria for earning the certification from Government of India, you need to have to attend a minimum 75% of this total internship. The internship duration is depending on your division and as well as on your project. The internship duration may be a 6 weeks and it will be a go up to a 6 month also. So this is the official notice from the Government of India, Niti Aayog. So if you see here guys, this is the official internship page where you can see there's the online application link is open from 1 to 10 month of every month. For applying this internship, you just need to click here for the apply. After coming this page link is already available in the description. Go to the description, check the link. Whenever you click that link, you will be redirected to this page directly. After coming this page guys, you just need to click on apply. After clicking on apply, you just need to fill these basic details. Also, you just need to be fill this all the your educational details. Make sure that your educational details you are going to fill after the secondary your education. If you see here guys, the month for the internship, there is a month going from June, so you have to be choose the month as per your time. Okay, so if you see here a June, after that you have to be select your division or interest of area where you want to do a internship. For example, if you are technical person, you want to do a internship in science and technology, just click on that. If you are non-technical person, you have to a public private partnership, rural development, and if you are a finance person also, you have to be a public finance, budget, and much more. After that, just click on a preview. You will be get a preview of your application. After that, just click on a submit. You are successfully applied for the Niti Aayog internship program. If you got selected, you will be receive a mail with a starting date. Check the links in the description and apply fastly for this internship, because this internship is provided from the government of India. This is all for this video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.